Magandang araw! Ang aking tatalakayin ngayon ay Introduction to Sequence and Arithmetic Sequence para sa Week 1 lessons ng Grade 10 Math ayon sa most essential learning competencies. Objectives: define a sequence or progression. Give next terms of the given sequence. Generates pattern given succession of numbers. In mathematics, a sequence is a chain of numbers or other objects that usually follow a particular pattern. The individual elements in a sequence are called terms. The terms of a sequence are all its individual numbers or elements. Halimbawa, 3, 5, 7. Ito ay isang halimbawa ng sequence dahil meron siyang sinusundang pattern. Ano nga ba ang pattern na sinusundan niya? Mapapansin nyo na ang bawat numero dito ay nadadagdagan ng dalawa. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Ang mga number na ito, 3, 5, at 7, ang tinatawag nating terms. Ang tamang pagsusulat ng terms ay separated by commas. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers or other elements like geometric objects that often follow a specific pattern or function. Sequences can be both finite and infinite. Finite kung ang bilang ng mga elements ay limitado lamang. Sa aking halimbawa, 3 lamang ang elements na ito. Ito ay isang halimbawa ng finite sequence. Infinite kung ito ay magpapatuloy at walang katapusan. Isang maaaring paraan ng pagsusulat ng infinite sequence ay pagdadagdag ng 3 dot na tinatawag nating ellipsis. Meaning, ito ay hindi matatapos o ito ay magiging continuous. Write the next 3 terms of the sequence 3, 10, 17, 24. Bago natin maibigay ang sumunod na 3 terms, kailangan muna nating malaman ang pattern nito. Ano nga bang pattern ang sinusundan nito? Napansin nyo ba? We can observe that to obtain the next term, blank is added to the sequence. Tama, 7 is added to the sequence for each term. Therefore, the next terms are 31, 38, and 45. Write the first 3 terms and the 50th term of the sequence defined by the rule a sub n equals 3n minus 7. Ang rule ng sequence o pattern ay ibinigay na a sub n equals 3n minus 7. Ito ang ating susundan upang maibigay ang unang 3 terms pati ang 50th term ng sequence na ito. Paano? Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng substitution. Gamit ang rule na binigay, to get the first term or a sub 1, we replace n by 1. So, 3 times 1 minus 7. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 7 would be equal to negative 4. Yan ang ating first term o a sub 1. Second term, a sub 2 is equal to 3 times 2 minus 7. 3 times 2 is equal to 6 minus 7 is equal to negative 1. A sub 3 is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Ayan, meron na tayong first 3 terms. And to get the 50th term, a sub 50 is equal to 3 times 50, which is equal to 150 minus 7, equals 143. Therefore, the 50th term is 143. Determine the rule given the terms of the sequence 9, 14, 19, and 24. So ngayon, ang ating kailangang mahanap o maipalabas ay yung rule mismo. Paano? Una, tingnan natin kung anong pattern ang nagaganap sa bawat element. We can observe that to obtain the next term, blank is added to each of the elements in the sequence. And that is 5. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 14 plus 5 equals 19. 19 plus 5 equals 24. From there, we can say that the rule involves 5n. So, yun na yung pinaka-technique natin. Since each term are added by 5, meron na tayong basic na pattern na 5n. Now, if a sub n is equal to 5n, replacing n by 1 to get the first term, 5 times 1 will be equal to 5 only, and not 9. And our first term here is 9. So, what can we do to make 5 be 9? Yes, we can add 4. So, the rule would be a sub n equals 5n plus 4. Now, let's test the rule to confirm. A sub n is equal to 5n plus 4. The first term is 9. So, to get the first term, we replace n by 1. So, it will be 5 times 1 plus 4. 5 times 1 equals 5. Plus 4 equals 9. Parehas ba ng given first term? Yes, tama. Tingnan naman natin sa second term. A sub 2 equals 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 4 equals 14. A sub 3 equals 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 4 equals 19. And a sub 4 is 5 times 4, which is 20, plus 4 equals 24. Tama! Napakita natin yung mga given elements. Therefore, tama na ang ating rule ay a sub n equals 5n plus 4. Let's solve together. Number 1. Write the next three terms of the sequence negative 18, negative 13, negative 8. Number 2. Find the ninth term of the sequence defined by the general rule a sub n equals 2 raised to n minus 112. Number 3. Determine the rule given the terms of the sequence for 11, 18, and 25. Magbibigay ako ng 20 seconds para sagutan ang bawat numero. Para sa number 1, timer starts now. Okay, ang next three terms para sa number 1 ay negative 3, positive 2, and positive 7. Paano nangyaring negative 3, positive 2, at positive 7 ang next three terms? Merong pattern na sinusundan ang bawat elements. From negative 18 down to negative 13, nagdagdag ng positive 5. Negative 18 plus 5 is negative 13. Negative 13 plus 5 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. And negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2. And lastly, 2 plus 5 is equal to positive 7. Now, timer starts for number 2. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Find the ninth term. To get the ninth term, we replace n by 9. Therefore, a sub 9 equals 2 raised to 9, which is equal to 512. Minus 112, the final answer is 400. Now, let's try number 3. Timer starts now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Determine the rule. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang bawat term dito ay nadadagdagan ng 7. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 11 plus 7 equals 18. 18 plus 7 equals 25. Therefore, meron na tayong pattern na 7. So, meron tayong basic rule na 7n. But 7n is not enough or hindi pa kumpleto bilang rule niya. Dahil kung 7n lang, to get the first term, we are going to replace n by 1. So we will get 7 times 1, which is equal to 7. But the first term is 4, not 7. So what can we do to 7 to make it 4? We are going to subtract 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Therefore, the rule would be a sub n equals 7n minus 3. Arithmetic sequence, definition, and illustration. Examine and evaluate. This is an example of an arithmetic sequence, 3, 7, 11, and 15. What pattern did you observe from this example of sequence? Ang bawat term or elements ay nadadagdagan ng 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 plus 4 equals 11. And 11 plus 4 equals 15. Next, this is another example of an arithmetic sequence, 17, 12, 7, 2. Can you tell the common pattern from the previous example and to this one? Mapapansin nyo na ang mga numero o elements dito ay pababa. Maaaring sabihin ninyo, nababawasan. Nababawasan ng ilan? Ng 5. 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 7 minus 5 is 2. Ngunit, maaari din natin yung sabihin na nadadagdagan ng negative 5. 17 plus negative 5 is also 12. 12 plus negative 5 is 7. 7 plus negative 5 is 2. So, anong pagkakaiba ng previous example dito? Kanina, ang nadadagdag ay positive number. Samantalang ngayon, ang nadadagdag ay negative number. Na siyang dahilan kung bakit ang mga numero ay pababa. What can you say to this sequence? 3, 6, 12, 24. It's actually not an arithmetic sequence. Ano bang pattern meron sa kanya? Meron bang pare-parehas na number na dinadagdag o ina-add sa bawat element? Wala. Ang pattern na makikita natin ay ang bawat element ay minumultiply sa dalawa. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Take note, ang example na ito ay minumultiply sa 2 at hindi ina-add. Siya ay hindi arithmetic sequence. So, What makes a sequence be an arithmetic? A sequence in which each term after the first is formed by adding. Take note, adding a fixed number to the preceding term is called an arithmetic sequence. Sa makatuwid, para maging arithmetic ang isang sequence, kailangan na merong dinadagdag o ina-add na fixed number. At ang fixed number na ito ay tinatawag nating common difference. The fixed number is called the common difference, denoted by small d. 5, 9, 13, 17. What is the common difference? The common difference is positive 4. Each element is added by positive 4. How did you get the common difference? Paano nga ba ninyo nakuha na positive 4? By subtracting the term from right to left. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. 13 minus 9 equals 4. 17 minus 13 equals 4. That's the way we get the common difference. 13, 9, 5, and 1. What is the common difference? Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang number ay pababa. Isang palatandaan na ang common difference o ang dinadagdag sa kanya ay negative number. So the common difference here is negative 4. 9 minus 13 is negative 4. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. 1 minus 5 is also negative 4. What is the fifth term? Dahil ang ating common difference ay negative 4, we are going to add this to the fourth term to get the fifth term. So 1 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 3. 11, 6, 1. What is the common difference? What are the next three terms? How did you get the next three terms? Okay, to get the next three terms, we always add the common difference to a term to get the next term. So we should know first what the common difference is. Then we add that to get the next terms. Ano nga ba ang common difference sa sequence na ito? The common difference is negative 5. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. 6 minus 11 is negative 5. The next three terms are, from the third term, 1 plus the common difference negative 5, 1 plus negative 5 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus negative 5 is negative 14. Therefore, the next three terms are negative 4, negative 9, and negative 14. Practice exercise tayo. Determine the following sequence, if arithmetic or not. Write yes, and the common difference D if the given illustrates an arithmetic sequence. Otherwise, write no. Meron kayong 10 segundo upang sagutan ang bawat numero na ito. For number 1, timer starts now. Time's up. The answer is yes. It is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of positive 2. Number 2.
minutes.
The answer is no, it's not an arithmetic sequence. Number 3.
0 minutes.
The answer is yes, it is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of positive 3. Number 4.
0 minutes.
The answer is yes. It is also an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of negative 5. And number 5,
0 minutes.
the answer is yes. It is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of negative 20. Maraming salamat!